Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have Mrs. Simon driving her car from her home to her workplace every workday morning. We have this table which is telling us different segments of this drive, and we give in the miles and the average driving speed if there's no traffic. On one morning, we're told that it took her 24 minutes in total to get from her home to her workplace. So that's all three of these segments combined. We're asked what is the average speed in miles per hour that morning. So we wanted to find the speed in miles per hour. We just have to take the number of miles and divide it by the number of hours. So the miles is the distance. We're dividing by the number of hours, which is the time. So the distance is we just add up all these three. So we have 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4. All these distances in miles, add them together, and you get the total, before we worry about the denominator, it's going to be 17.4 miles is all three of these added together. That's the total distance she traveled. Divided by the time, we're looking for miles per hour. So when it took her 24 minutes, we have to convert that into hours. So 24 minutes times 1 hour over 60 minutes. We're doing this unit conversion, multiplying this value of time basically by 1, since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This is like 24 times 4 over 4. This is just equal to 1, so it has the same value. But we do this, 24 times 4 is 96, divided by 4, to give us a different denominator, or in this case, a different unit. So we have 24 times 1 is just 24, divided by 60 hours, which you put that in your calculator, you get a 0.4 hours. So 17.4 miles over 24 minutes is 0.4 hours. And when you plug this in, 17.4 divided by 0.4 is 43.4. And you know you did it right when the units check out. Miles divided by hours is miles per hour. What was her average speed that morning? 43.5. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.